Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If they do help themselves to a big serving of cicadas, it can lead to vomiting, lethargy, diarrhea or poor appetite, AARP says. Though rare, pets also may have an allergic reaction when they eat cicadas and can go into anaphylactic shock, which would require an urgent trip to the vet.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cicadas are commonly eaten by birds and sometimes by squirrels, as well as bats, wasps, mantises, spiders, and robberflies. In times of mass emergence of cicadas, various amphibians, fish, reptiles, mammals, and birds change their foraging habits so as to benefit from the glut.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Fortunately, cicadas don't bite or sting, so they're not harmful to pets. Cicadas generally leave no lasting damage, except possibly to young trees and shrubs. When ingested, they can potentially result in some stomach upset in dogs and cats, as the exoskeleton may be difficult to digest.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.